Have you heard about giant bulldozers that can easily move chunks of earth the size of a whole bus, with engine power exceeding 1,000 horsepower? Today, you will embark on an amazing journey through the world of incredible construction machinery monsters that make the most challenging tasks possible. The Italian company ACO, in collaboration with Caterpillar, developed the largest bulldozer in the world called the ACO-dozer. This giant weighs over 400,000 pounds and is equipped with two powerful engines with a total power of 1,300 horsepower. The size of the working equipment is also impressive. The height of the ripper is nearly 10 feet, and the width of the blade is about 23 feet. This equipment was specifically designed for Libya, where it was intended to be used as part of an ambitious construction program for developing new territories. However, due to economic difficulties and the international sanctions imposed, the project had to be halted. Prototype models were made, but nothing progressed beyond that. Attempts to sell the machine to other clients were unsuccessful due to its economic inefficiency. The bulldozer remained in use until 2012, when it was purchased by a private company. Now it serves as a monument, reminding of the grand engineering project. The other similar machines were produced in limited batches, totaling only a few dozen units. Such high costs and operational complexity make these massive bulldozers accessible only to large companies that can afford to maintain them. The CAM AZD 500-75A3SD, introduced in 1991, is considered one of the largest and most powerful bulldozers in the world. Weight 337,307 pounds, produces 1,150 horsepower. All this power is directed at providing immense traction, rather than speed. The machine can move up to 2,470 cubic pounds of soil in a single pass, easily handling 10-foot boulders. To enhance performance, the CAM AZD 575A bulldozer requires a turbocharger. The main focus is not on speed but on maximum traction. The fuel for this monster is diesel, stored in a 440-gallon tank. A key feature of the blade's design is that 90% of the load is directly on it, allowing the bulldozer to effectively handle transporting large volumes of material. It takes 5 trucks to transport the individual components of the machine. One of them is specifically designed for the blade. Only 88 such bulldozers were produced, and they are actively used in open quarries in the USA, Australia, and New Zealand. Production of this model has already been completed. The Komatsu D475A5SD is a true flagship among bulldozers from the Japanese manufacturer, rightfully earning the proud title of Super Bulldozer. This model demonstrates that Japanese engineers have reached the pinnacle in creating heavy machinery. Designed for operation in extreme conditions, this bulldozer successfully functions even in the far north, participating in mineral extraction, construction, and land clearing. This giant weighs 249,500 pounds. Equipped with a powerful turbocharged 12-cylinder engine producing 899 horsepower, the bulldozer can accelerate to 7 miles per hour forward and 8.5 miles per hour in reverse. To ensure uninterrupted operation, this engine requires 26.5 gallons of motor oil. The cooling system is filled with 6 to 10.5 gallons of antifreeze. Before being sent to the job site, individual components of the bulldozer are assembled into blocks, which simplifies the delivery process. As of today, the Komatsu D475A5SD remains the largest production bulldozer in the world. Caterpillar, known as a pioneer in the production of tracked machinery, has introduced its largest bulldozer model, the Caterpillar D11RCD. The production of this machine began in 1996, weighing 229,000 pounds, or 247,000 pounds with the ripper system, an impressive 229,000 pounds, or 247,000 pounds with the ripper system. The bulldozer's blade can hold just over 1,500 cubic feet of material, with a width of 22 feet and a height of nearly 128 inches. It can dig into the ground up to 30 inches and rise above the surface by 5 feet, providing a tilt angle of 25 degrees. The Caterpillar D11RCD is powered by an engine The Caterpillar 3508B with a power of 850 horsepower. These machines are typically used where significant volumes of earth need to be moved in logging operations and during rock splitting. The length of the bulldozer, including the blade, is 328 inches. The width of the tracks is 142 inches and the height of the cab is 183 inches. As for fuel consumption, the bulldozer's fuel tank is designed for 323.5 gallons, which is quite suitable for its size and needs. The Russian bulldozer CHG ZT800 was originally conceived as a versatile tool capable of performing tasks for both civilian and military purposes, including debris clearance and the construction of strategically important facilities. This giant was first showcased to the public in 1983 at an exhibition in Chelyabinsk, where it generated immense interest. People lined up to take photos next to it. The bulldozer's nominal pulling force was 165,000 pounds and could reach a maximum of 309,000 pounds. The engine produced 820 horsepower. The total weight of the tractor with the bulldozer and loosening equipment reached 227,000 pounds, of which 66,000 pounds were attributed to the equipment itself. Different types of tracks were used for various soil types. For rocky surfaces, tracks weighing 13,000 pounds were used, while for softer soils, wider tracks weighing 17,000 pounds were employed. The maximum forward speed was about 9.3 miles per hour, while the reverse speed was slightly higher at 10.5 miles per hour. This solution increased work efficiency, as idle time was reduced, and useful work was done faster. Fuel consumption at full load was about 33 gallons per hour. The total fuel capacity in the bulldozer's tanks is 462 gallons. The T800 underwent its first serious test at the construction of the South Ural nuclear power plant. However, after the accident at the Chernobyl nuclear power plant, all construction work on the South Ural nuclear power plant was halted and remains unfinished to this day. Fiat Alice FD50 is an Italian bulldozer, production of which began in 1980. Over the years of its service, this model has proven to be reliable in both construction and mining industries. Thanks to its significant capacity, the bulldozer can transport large volumes of cargo, whether it's ore or construction debris, in one trip. The Fiat Alice FD50 is equipped with a powerful engine that produces 600 horsepower, ensuring high mobility. The weight of the tractor is about 176,500 pounds. Later versions were equipped with a more powerful Cummins Sveti 28C diesel engine with 550 horsepower, with a blade length of 18 to 19.5 feet, the FD50. 50 horsepower with a blade length of 18 by 19 by 30 feet. In the 5 to 10, it became especially popular in coal mines in Pennsylvania, USA, where it continues to be used to this day. Production of the FD50 was halted in 1989 when the company decided to move all earth-moving equipment production to Italy. Despite the cessation of production, these machines are still in use in various countries around the world. The Prom Tractor T50.01 is the second largest bulldozer produced in Russia, starting its journey in 1980. Its equipped weight is 206,000 pounds, and its maximum speed reaches 5 miles per hour. The model stands out for its high performance due to the use of modern design and technological solutions. It is used in various industries, including industrial, oil and gas, hydraulic engineering, and mining, performing heavy earthworks, including the excavation of frozen and rocky soils. The 3-point semi-rigid suspension with an extended axle improves traction properties and reduces shock loads on the chassis, and enhances operator comfort. The economical Cummins KT38C diesel engine with 750 horsepower, combined with a hydraulic torque converter, provides excellent traction characteristics for heavy bulldozer and loosening work. The modular design of all components and control systems simplifies maintenance, allowing for the removal and installation of transmission components as separate modules for further repair and testing outside the machine. The bulldozer is capable of operating in challenging quarry conditions, digging into the ground up to 3.2 feet. During modernization, the model became even more efficient. Additionally, the machine can work not only with soil but also with rocks and frozen ground, demonstrating reliability and durability. The Komatsu D300-75A6 is a powerful and high-performance bulldozer designed for heavy earth-moving tasks. Equipped with a Komatsu SIA6D170E5 engine with 640.4 horsepower, it combines high performance and fuel efficiency. The bulldozer's operating weight is 158,000 pounds. The blade capacity reaches 653 cubic feet, allowing for the efficient movement of large volumes of soil. The cabin is equipped with improved sound insulation and a climate control system, creating comfortable conditions for the operator. The sturdy construction and reliable components ensure the machine's durability, making it suitable for various types of construction and mining work. Ease of maintenance is achieved through easy access to key components and the presence of centralized service points. The Komatsu D375A6 is the optimal solution for tackling complex earth-moving tasks, providing high performance and comfort for the operator. The American Caterpillar D11 TCD is one of the market leaders in agricultural machinery, known for its high sales. This bulldozer is equipped with a powerful 7-gallon Cat C32 Assert engine, delivering 850 horsepower. The fuel tank capacity is 354 gallons, which allows for extended operation without the need for frequent refueling. The length of the machine reaches 28 feet, while the height is 15.5 feet. Caterpillar bulldozers are known for their high performance and are designed for work in open quarries. The innovative engine design allows for fuel savings and minimizes harmful emissions into the atmosphere. The driver's cabin features high ergonomics, making work comfortable even for extended periods. Although speed is not the main indicator for such equipment, the Caterpillar D11 TCD demonstrates good maneuverability and mobility. These bulldozers are known for their reliability and long service life. Reviews of Caterpillar equipment are predominantly positive, which confirms the high quality of the models produced by the company. The design concept of the Marauder Dozer, created for fighting wildfires, is an innovative machine on 6 rubber tracks with a unique segmented body and a separately located cabin at the front. The bulldozer's body is divided into 2 segments resembling an ant's body. The rear segment contains the engine, while the central segment houses the cooling system and hydraulic components. The cabin is mounted on a separate platform that can rotate around its axis, providing the operator with a full 360-degree view. At the front of the machine is a wide blade with large teeth, designed for moving tree trunks and uprooting them. One of the key features of the Marauder Dozer is its ability to raise the body above the undercarriage. Special brackets allow the machine to be raised almost twice its height, protecting important mechanisms and the operator from high temperatures. Although futuristic concepts of bulldozers are less common than, for example, excavators, existing developments demonstrate the potential of these machines to address environmental challenges. In the military and civilian industries, construction, and agriculture, large specialized equipment is used to help perform complex tasks. Their dimensions and technical specifications astonish even the boldest assumptions. And I have, my friends, some impressive offers for you as well. You have a unique opportunity to become part of our team. If you have video editing skills, you can voice over videos in Russian, English, and other languages, or write interesting scripts. We would be happy to work with you. Message our Telegram bot. The link is in the description. That's all for today. See you